I will terminate the second cable as well. So my second cable is ready. I will be placing it into extension jack 2, which is 602 here. So I will plug it. The next step is to wire up the sockets. Here is the first socket. I will let in the cable through the side of the patch rest box, like this. So I'll then mark the insulation and then take off the insulation. I'll cut off the green and brown pairs. We are left with the blue and orange pairs. I'll just untwist them. I'll place them on the keystone jack, following the color coding in the keystone jack that you can see here. So the solid orange goes here, the striped orange, the solid blue, and the striped blue. You press them down very well. So I'm now going to punch each of them down. So this socket is ready. To close the patch rest, you can just remove the front and use these two holes to screw it to the patch rest box and close back the front panel. Let's repeat the same process for this other socket. We will be terminating only the blue pair, since this cable will be used to serve just a single line telephone. So I can just put the rest aside whilst terminating just the blue pair. We will pass it into the patch rest box and twist the blue pair. Mount it on the keystone jack